Brace yourselves, the battery industry is on the verge of a seismic transformation. By the year 2026, sodium-ion batteries are set to challenge and possibly surpass lithium-based technology. These next-gen batteries deliver an impressive energy density of up to 220 watt-hours per kilogram, remain functional at freezing temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius while retaining over 90% of their power, and boast an outstanding endurance of up to 15,000 charge cycles. So, what makes sodium-ion the breakthrough we've all been waiting for in sustainable and affordable electric vehicle (EV) technology? Before we dive into it, help us reach our milestone of 40,000 subscribers. Your support fuels our passion to bring you the latest on Tesla, future mobility, and revolutionary battery innovations. The lithium problem. Let's set the scene. Lithium-ion batteries have dominated the energy storage space for decades. From smartphones to solar arrays to EVs, they've been everywhere. But with skyrocketing global demand, we're hitting some major roadblocks: limited supply, soaring costs, and ethical concerns related to resource extraction. Key raw materials like lithium, cobalt, nickel, and graphite are becoming harder to source affordably. As prices increase and supplies dwindle, the industry is desperate for a more sustainable, scalable option. Enter sodium-ion batteries. That's where sodium-ion batteries come in. This once-overlooked technology is now coming into the spotlight. Much like lithium-ion batteries, they shuttle ions between a cathode and anode using an electrolyte. The big twist: they use sodium, the same element found in everyday salt, instead of lithium. Sodium is cheap, widely available, and abundant. It shares similar electrochemical properties with lithium, but is significantly easier and cheaper to mine and process. From seawater to salt deposits, sodium is practically everywhere. While sodium-ion isn't a brand new idea, it's been researched since the 1970s, it never took off initially due to lithium's superior energy density. But today, with global battery needs shifting and lithium's disadvantages more apparent, sodium is getting a second look, and it's proving to be more relevant than ever. Production advantage and ethical edge. One of the biggest selling points? Sodium-ion cells can be made using much of the same manufacturing infrastructure already built for lithium-ion batteries. That means companies don't need to start from scratch. Existing factories can be retooled, cutting down costs and speeding up deployment. Plus, sodium-ion production sidesteps the ethical and environmental pitfalls associated with mining cobalt and other rare materials. No cobalt, nickel, or even graphite is needed, making the production process cleaner and more ethical. Breaking the energy density barrier. The earlier limitations of sodium-ion batteries mostly centered on energy density. They just didn't pack as much power as lithium cells until recently. CATL, China's battery giant, rolled out their second-gen sodium-ion cells by the end of 2024, achieving 200 Wh/kg, a 25% improvement over their first iteration. By 2026, they aim to hit 220 Wh/kg, narrowing the gap with lithium iron phosphate, LFP, batteries, which are already powering millions of EVs globally. Other manufacturers are jumping in too. Ferrosis Energy has introduced sodium-ion packs for small city EVs. Meanwhile, Peak Energy raised $55 million to scale batteries capable of 15,000 cycles, nearly doubling the life of standard lithium-ion counterparts. Cold weather performance. But perhaps sodium-ion's biggest win is in cold weather. While lithium-ion batteries can lose over 60% of their capacity in extreme cold, sodium-ion maintains over 90% even at -40 degrees Celsius. That means EVs powered by these cells can start instantly and sustain full speeds in frigid environments. The chemistry behind it? Sodium has a lower freezing point, better ionic conductivity at low temps, and forms fewer dendrites, those metallic spikes that can cause shorts in lithium cells. This makes sodium-ion a safer and more resilient option for regions with harsh winters. Durability and lifespan. Durability-wise, sodium-ion is already outperforming traditional alternatives. Some early-use batteries, like those from Defy for automotive start-stop systems, are handling 2,000 deep discharge cycles while still retaining 80% capacity. That beats many existing lead-acid solutions. The real promise, however, lies in sodium's potential to build a decentralized and stable energy economy. With fewer geopolitical entanglements, minimal reliance on rare materials, and lower carbon emissions, sodium-ion batteries offer a path to a cleaner, more secure energy future. Global market potential. Industry analysts estimate that the sodium-ion battery sector could exceed $11 billion by 2033. But considering the current momentum and investment, even that number might fall short. Automakers and grid storage companies are already placing big bets on this tech. Sodium-ion cells are expected to serve as a backbone for energy storage systems and urban mobility, where cost, longevity, and low maintenance matter more than extreme energy density. Hybrid battery designs. A hybrid approach is already gaining popularity, combining sodium-ion and lithium-ion cells in one battery pack. Sodium cells handle acceleration and low-temp conditions, while lithium cells maintain high-speed cruising and energy density. It's a best-of-both-worlds strategy, affordable, powerful, and reliable across all conditions. Local impact and global access. Sodium's abundance also empowers emerging economies. For instance, Jitendra EV in India is planning sodium-powered two-wheelers by 2026 using locally available salt and biomass. This could slash import reliance by 40% and promote domestic energy independence. Sodium's global availability levels the playing field. Lithium is mostly mined in just 3 countries, Australia, Chile, and China, whereas sodium can be sourced almost anywhere, from ocean water to natural salt reserves. Environmental and economic benefits. Let's talk economics. Around 80% of a sodium-ion battery's cost comes from raw materials, and those materials are 24% to 32% cheaper than lithium-ions at scale. Sodium carbonate, a key ingredient, costs just $150 to $200 per ton compared to lithium carbonate's roller coaster pricing, which peaked at $78,000 per ton and still fluctuates. Environmentally, the numbers are compelling. Sodium-ion batteries generate up to 50% less carbon emissions during manufacturing. They're safer, greener, and less harmful to ecosystems. Charging and safety. Charging capabilities are impressive, too. The latest models support ultra-fast rates, up to 5C, meaning they can accept charges as fast as 500 kilowatts. That reduces charge time from hours to minutes. Conclusion. From urban electric vehicles to national power grids, sodium-ion batteries are stepping up where lithium can't. They're not just an alternative, they're a viable, cost-effective, and sustainable upgrade. As the tech matures, we could see sodium-ion powering everything from two-wheelers in India to smart grids in Europe and North America. So, is sodium-ion the future of energy? All signs point to yes. If this video gave you a new perspective on energy storage, give it a like, share it with your community, and hit that subscribe button. We're aiming for 1,000 subscribers next, and your support makes all the difference. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next one.